Hi guys, how to unblock someone on Roblox. Now, open the Roblox app or website. On a computer, click the gear icon in the top right and select Settings. On a mobile device, tap the three dots in the bottom right corner, scroll down, and select Settings. Pick the right method for your device, or this won't work. Inside the Settings menu, look at the Options list and click on the Privacy tab. This is where all your blocking and unblocking controls live. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the privacy page to find the section labeled Blocked Users. Here's a common mistake. Most people stop scrolling too early. Keep going until you see it. Click the Show button to expand the list and see everyone you've blocked. Quick heads up, if this section doesn't appear at all, it means your blocked list is currently empty. So there's no one to unblock. Find the specific username you want to unblock from the list and click the Unblock button right next to their name. That's it. They can now message you, join your games, and send friend requests again. Keep watching because next I'll show you how to tell if someone actually blocked you back.